In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play crossplay on Rainbow Six Siege. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily set up crossplay according to your preferences. To my knowledge, this is going to work for every single platform where Rainbow Six Siege is available. So while I am recording this video on my PC, this method should work for PlayStation and Xbox, so be sure to follow my steps. What you have to do inside of the game is to go over to the menu and access the options. On the general category, if you scroll all the way down, you are going to find the most important option to crossplay. If you are inside of a match, this setting will be grayed out, so make sure that you go back to the main menu as you can see here. Now, crossplay matchmaking is what we're looking for. This is the setting that allows us to matchmake with people outside of your own platform. So for example, I'm playing on PC, so if I set this to off, I will exclusively play with people who are on PC. If I set this to on, I will be mashed up with people on different platforms like PlayStation and Xbox, and I can also invite them to a party. You will have to add these people through your Ubisoft Connect playlist because, as you might be aware, you cannot invite friends who are on the PlayStation network if you are playing on Steam, for example, and so on. So enable this. You can also change crossplay communication, which allows you to talk over voice chat or text chat with those crossplay people, and to my knowledge, this should be the only required option. You can go over to privacy and change some settings related to matchmaking, but the single most important thing for crossplay is going to be this setting here. If you don't see it, then unfortunately that could mean that crossplay is not available for you. Now, after you do this, like I said, when you go over to any party and you hover over these empty slots, you will be able to invite friends from Ubisoft Connect. So click this option, a new window will appear. If you don't see it, it could be due to your overlay settings. But as long as the servers are working and you click on Ubisoft Connect, you will be able to invite them. Afterwards, you can play together as long as all of you are on the same party, and you can manage all of your friends from your Ubisoft Connect friends list. I hope I was able to help you on how to play crossplay on Rainbow Six Siege. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.